Hi, everybody, and welcome to Anne's Wellness Reset. I have to be honest with you. If you're eating salad to be healthy, but you're pouring a lot of store-bought salad dressing on top of it, you're missing out and canceling a lot of the benefits. I'm going to show you a simple way to make your own salad dressing that actually supports fat loss, heart health, hormone health, and energy after 50. Stick around for the end. I'm going to have a demo on the healthiest, tastiest, and most versatile salad dressing ever. Most store-bought salad dressings are made with highly processed seed oils, such as canola oil, added sugars, and a long list of ingredients that you would never use at home, such as gums, stabilizers, and emulsifiers. And even the ones that are labeled as healthy or light aren't really doing your body any favors. So here's what I do instead, and it's incredibly simple and a lot less expensive. My base always consists of extra virgin olive oil and apple cider vinegar. The ratio is about twice as much oil as apple cider vinegar. So olive oil gives you those healthy fats that help you reduce inflammation, support your heart by lowering the LDL, the bad cholesterol, and increasing the HDL, the good cholesterol. And they actually help you feel satisfied after a meal. It also helps your body absorb all those excellent nutrients from the salad. And then I add the apple cider vinegar. This helps with blood sugar control, which is huge for fat loss after 50, and it also supports digestion. And then this is where it gets fun. To add flavor, I add whole foods such as garlic, these fresh herbs or dried herbs, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, and many others. So I'm going to show you how to make my go-to Greek salad dressing. It takes no time to put together. It's light, tangy, and goes with absolutely everything. I even use it in marinades. So I'm going to start with a half a cup of olive oil, and I'm going to put it in this wonderful jar. A half a cup of olive oil. Healthy fat. And then 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then I'll use about a half a lemon. And then I'm going to use a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of basil. This basil is homegrown in my garden and I have dried it. And then about a half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I've also got a half a teaspoon of salt in here, ground pepper, and a teaspoon of Parmesan. I'll put that in there. They were pre-measured. Dijon mustard, that's about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. And I always add fresh garlic. That will squeeze right into this jar. Beautiful. That's it. That's all the ingredients. So I usually throw everything in the jar and then I give it a good shake and that's it. This is one of those small changes that makes a really big difference. You're still eating the same salad, but now it's actually supporting your metabolism, your hormones, and your overall health. And the best part is it tastes better. I'll include 2 additional recipes in the description below, such as creamy garlic dressing and maple balsamic style. If you try any of these, let me know which one you like the best, and I'll see you on the next video.